All right, these are my New Balance Minimus Vibram shoes right here. This is probably like my third or fourth pair that I've had with these shoes. And I'm just gonna talk about how I clean these shoes. Now, if it's just an everyday like crud that gets onto my shoes, I just simply take a damp cloth and this usually does the trick right here, okay? It does the trick. Now, however, when I've been doing trail running a lot in rain and water, the insides actually get kind of nasty, okay? And it requires a lot. Now, what I do sometimes is I'll take a garden hose and then put a little soap in there and then just spray it in there. If not, I will take this and put it in the washing machine. And my results from putting it in the washing machine aren't the best. So if you're trying to clean the inside, I would suggest a garden hose. And if you don't have a garden hose, maybe take some soap in there, some dish detergent, some soap in there, and then just run it under hot water with inside of a bathtub or a sink and just try to get a lot of the crud out of there and make sure you rinse it well, okay? Now, even after you wash inside by using the bathtub method, you also it would be a good idea to throw it in the washing machine as well to get any other crud that you possibly could not get out of the cracks and crevices of the shoe. Now, when you're completely done with that, you do not want to put these in the dryer. And I'm telling you that because when you put them in the dryer, they tend to shrink a little bit, the rubber and then also the fabric as well too. I have found the best way to dry this is just to let them air dry in front of a fan. Now, if you don't have it in front of a fan and you just let them air dry out, I don't know, maybe on the porch or something, they may not get dry all the way and they still may have a moldy mildew smell with inside of it. So try to put this in front of a fan and let it dry that way. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot.